Lotus needs a headlight bulb. I was driving the other night and noticed only one headlight was coming on. So when you have a headlight go out, you first check the fuses. So the fuse box for the headlights for the Elise are underneath the right side panel, and that's the fuses. The low beams are these 10 amp fuses. The left and right side are separate, and I believe 17 is the left and 18 is, sorry, the right is either 18 or 16, and I can't remember which one. And then the high beams are the 15 amp fuses. This is the left, I believe, and this is the right. So first check and make sure the fuses are working. Then check the headlight